Today we will learn our last topic. Do all living organisms can move? You know very well, all our living organisms can move, but plants cannot move. Why plants cannot move? Better, plants are fixed in the soil. Their roots are tightly packed in the soil. You will draw the diagram of plant just like this. It is soil. All part is soil. You have a tree like this. Tree. You will see only this part of tree. But roots of this tree are deeply fixed under the soil. So plant cannot move from one place to another. But you see many parts of plants will move. Just like metal leaves. During wind blow, leaves will move. Maybe fruits that is dropping down after ripening. Dropping down of fruit is also the movement of fruit. Many substances in the plant, just like water, gases, food synthesized by plant, they will move from one part of plant to another. Better, we will give water to the soil. Soil contain water. These water are absorbed by roots and move upward up to leaves. And leaves prepare the food with the help of water. Better, leaves have this structure. Upper side of the leaf is shiny, but lower side of the leaf it is rough because lower side of leaf have stomata. Better, lower side of leaf have stomata like this. These are the stomata. Clear? This stomata will be open in the daytime and closed during the night time. Just like this. Better, this is stomata. Just like this. Open during day and at the night they will close. Open stomata, closed stomata. These are open for the exchange of gases. Closed stomata. Like this. Or movement of water you will identify in some plants. At the morning, water droplets present on the leaves of some plants. Where water will come? Water will come out from the stomata like this during closed stomata. Better, they are small opening and water will be moves out by this. When you are standing under the tree, you feel some coolness. From where you feel coolness? Surrounding is very hot and below the tree you feel coolness. From where? Because water droplets, water vapors come out through stomata each and every time from outside the plant. But this water is absorbed only by roots. So water moves up. Plant whole as itself does not move. But leaves, fruits, these substances all will move inside the plant. So plant is also living. And you see movement of other organism, that two type of movement shown by other organisms. All the animals, they move from one place to another. That is locomotion. And I am standing in front of you, but my hands, my eyes, my heart will move at one place. But pumping of heart you feel by pressing here. During sleeping, you will see the abdomen of sleeping person. It will move up and down. Clear? All these movements that shown by body part, but body remain at one place. That is the movement. And when it move from one place to another, it is locomotion. Beta, we have two legs. We are moving on two legs. You see other animals, cow, buffalo, they are moving on four legs. You see birds. Birds move from one place to another by flying. That means wings are the locomotory organ of birds. And you see some reptiles. They are rear on the surface just like snake, earthworm. That all living organisms, either plants or animals, show movement. All living organisms, either plants or animals, show movement. Clear? That means all living organisms show movement. Better rearing. Just like snake. As the snake move on the earth is known as rearing. Birds can fly, ant can fly, beta honeybee can fly, wasp can fly. Those organisms which have wings, they can fly. They have legs, they will move. Don't have legs, they will rear on the surface. All these are the examples. Beta fishes or aquatic animal live in the water. They will move with the fins or by their streamlined bodies, etc. Thank you. Now another topic. What about life? Beta, overall, when we see about the life of various animals or plants, overall life is very beautiful. Life is very beautiful. Thank you.